Sandals Halcyon in St. Lucia, and we are walking into the 1P Beach Walkout Butler Plunge Pool Room. Here is our on-site plunge pool. There's a couple styles of chairs out here, so whatever you feel like in the evening. It's or lounge out here a little bit. Center. This is a beautiful view looking out from the patio area. And as we enter the room, you can see it was sealed. We've been in here just a second ago, but the butler unsealed the room, or actually allowed us to unseal the room as we were walking in to ensure the cleanliness of it. Once you come inside, you have a beautiful layout in here. Complete with some snacks upon arrival, some champagne that he has already poured for us. So many wonderful attributes of the Butler Suites. They are great people, so fun. You do get the upgraded mini bar with premium liquors. Down here in the refrigerator, you have a variety of pops, waters, juices, and beers to choose from. This is a fun little addition. Slides open and into the shower, so you do want to make sure that when you're in the shower you don't have the door open. But it's very cute. Coming in here, you have a really nice bathroom facility. Robes and slippers, a safe, your pool towels, so you don't have to utilize the ones for your shower. And even a scale, but who wants to use that while you're on vacation? Very nice shower area. All really open concept, but you're also able to close off the area with the sliding door, which is really nice. Again, this is the 1P Beach Walkout Butler Plunge Pool Room at Sandals St. Lucia Halcyon.